just a short video to show you how the washing machine works on level 7, which they will be. So it's opposite 7590. And then you will come in here to the laundrette. They also have an ironing board here for you to use. And sanitizer as usual. So you need to purchase products. So we've just done 2 loads of washing. So you will tap your key to the world card here and you will purchase e-token, and then also, so we want 2 washing cycles, that's $6. We wanted 2 drying because you've got to dry your clothes, and we discovered that each laundry product does 2, so washing powder will do 2 washes and the drying things will do 2, so you do 2. So 2, so it's a total of $14 to do 2 washes. We don't want to do that again, but that's what you do. Then when you purchase that, you come over here, you tap your key to the world card like that, and it will tell you, you know, you tap your key to the world up there. It will tell you if we want to redeem. So we do have a spare one, so we would push redeem. So it's flashing green. Come down here and we'll get a Tide, for argument's sake, detergent, and out it comes. So if you had another one, then you would tap again. And we don't have anything, but you tap again, and then you would tap for your Snuggly. But we don't have any other credit. We didn't know. We thought maybe this might only do 1. Whatever, but it does 2 loads, really easy. Probably does 3. Come over here, and you tap your card, put your washing in, which is down below. The washing machine's below, and the dryers are at the top. And so again, you just tap your card, you follow the instructions over here as to what you want to do: normal wash, temperature, and then of course your dryer, normal cycle, delicates, whatever. And then it will start, and it gives you a timer, how long. So this is us here because it's in use. We're at the drying stage. So we've got 37 minutes left on this one, and we have 40 minutes left on this one. And do the same. And what else it does is it sends you a little message on your Disney Cruise Line app. So it tells you, you know, your washing has started. Your drying has started. When it's finished, it will actually give you a message, won't it, Cara?
Yep, give a message to say that it's finished.
It's finished.
And we'll just give you a little tickler on your watch if you've got one of those. And it happens automatically because it's connected to your app on your phone. And everything's sort of automated and digital.
And there you go. That's as simple as that. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea on what happens in the washing. It's good for people like you know, people from Australia. We come a long way, so we always accumulate a little bit of washing. Probably be different when you're cruising in Australia, but you know, for anyone that you know, from overseas, that's the way it's done. Okay, little quick lesson on the laundrette.